Hi guys! This time, I want to invite you to explore one of the most popular tourist destinations just about a 1-hour drive from Christchurch. Castle Hill and Castle Hill Village offer so many things to do, from scenic driving, biking, and motorbiking, to walking, rock climbing, cave exploring, camping, stargazing, or simply escaping the city and relaxing in a cozy holiday home. New Zealand's landscapes are often described as otherworldly, a place where you can move from beaches to volcanoes to glacier in a single day. The country's dramatic scenery comes from its unique geology, active tectonic setting, and long natural history. Castle Hill and Castle Hill Village sit in one of the most dramatic landscapes of the Canterbury High Country. To getting there, it's about 1-hour drive from Christchurch via State Highway 73. Castle Hill refers to the dramatic limestone rock formations and surrounding high country landscape along State Highway 73 between Springfield and Arthurs Pass. Castle Hill's famous for its massive limestone boulders and tors that look a bit like an ancient fortress, hence the name Castle Hill. These rocks are part of the New Zealand Conservation Area, a scenic natural reserve with a network of boulder fields and walking tracks. It has long attracted climbers, scientists, families, and travelers drawn to its natural, cultural, and historic values. Castle Hill is internationally known among climbers for its unique high-friction limestone boulders and varied challenges. There's an accessible track from the car park out among the rocks, great for families or anyone just wanting to explore the formations. The area's open landscape and low light pollution make it a popular spot for astrophotography and dramatic nature shots. Just a short distance from the rock formations lies Castle Hill Village, a small alpine settlement nestled beneath the Craigieburn Range. The village was established in 1982 on what had been part of Castle Hill Station when its owner, John Reed, envisioned a recreational alpine community. It's nestled at roughly 700 to 740 m above sea level, in the scenic Castle Hill Basin surrounded by mountain ranges. It's mainly residential, about 150+ houses, most of which are holiday homes, though there are some year-round residents. The village is a great base for outdoor adventures year-round like skiing. There's 4 ski fields on the Craigieburn Range are close by: Porters, Mount Cheeseman, Broken River, and Craigieburn Ski Field. Nearby forest parks offer lots of biking and walking. Cave Stream Scenic Reserve has a long limestone tube you can explore. Rivers and high country terrain make for great tramping, hiking, fishing, and scenic days out. Please leave a comment, give a like, and after subscribing, don't forget to hit the bell icon so you never miss a new video, and maybe share to support our journey. Every bit helps us explore more, share more stories, and support New Zealand tourism. Thank you for being part of this adventure. The limestone at Castle Hill formed 30 to 40 million years ago as marine sediment when much of New Zealand was underwater. Shell fragments, marine organisms, and calcium-rich mud compacted into limestone. Later uplift exposed it, rain, wind, frost, and groundwater slowly dissolved and carved the limestone, sculpted the dramatic shapes you see today. Maori did use the area extensively, but for travel, shelter, and spiritual purposes. Maori consider the area culturally and spiritually significant. The landscape was recognized as a place of mana, with a sense of presence and power. Early European explorers described it as a cyclopean city because the formations look like ruins of an ancient stone fortress. Europeans later farmed the area and quarried some limestone. Today it is a conservation area and a world-renowned bouldering and climbing destination. It's also a popular walking and photography site due to its surreal landscape.